right now 3 star gardens. But I know typing I'm going to Mbarara. Best hotels in Mbarara. What I can best hotel star gardens Kisha. Watch that because it has star gardens are invested in that. So no shanga sone they controlling most of the because of the partnerships zine na reputable being a reputable company. Naza kushanga chisongo cha Bunabo chazo but yachurizing right now. It features on people's suggestions. That's the partnerships na deals is box signing those companies. When I was yashazemu kwefereza, but it's working magic for him. Kurangu ya building a talent. So artists abasya don't be because abakuru ba rugiro. They can't no at least katino kizuka kachiri kabisa. By level by chiro I don't expect any surprise from them. Abasya don't be ba Irema, Kata Vibes and La Wine, ba Izelaika, ba Simon EN, ba Regina Ningama another platform to make money. Hawking your music. Ashaba music from Kabare, Nomchiga wa Kabare, she does live band performance in the Kampala, but she has an album called, is it Fireflies? I'm sorry, Nana, I mistake. Either Firefiles. She came with CDs when I gave her an interview where I work. It's fire. Quick in an interview. Yeah, jati. Atizanya Kampala. I'm going to town. Nguze CDs anyekisha to around menda album. And free transport. That's how best even you can make money. You don't need to wait for shows, but you can go through your circles and you sell them your album. Washanga CD no juguze mtware etano CD shate mtware 15. Yeah, that's how it is. Yeah, that's how it is. So that's another platform to make money. So the Ashaba Musics have already reinvented the style of helping them earn before waiting for shows. You know, Sakoria Ashaba Music katakora shows ka innocent because she has looked for other measures through which she can make money to the money that will sponsor her craft.
So, ladies and gentlemen, now we're done MVP and we're music theory and industry. Because
me information on music you pay for it. I can't sit you. Information and I've invested my time to
because
so why you MVP nyenda ku meeting tokuza ku meeting you need to meet when you know wamanya charge anye kucharginga ku meeting tukaganira nkakubarira kibaro cha music watira not kwizo muri nyamba yo tikine buri okuyamba je no vanara nakaja tarufuzo music industry. With music industry it's a business. You don't need kuija unotaka ngo refuze. No. Music is a business, and when you're in, can ni shabana beshongo zaba presenters zaba yoko. Man murumwana in the talent, support them. Make sure ogomuntu na meeting at the quality you want. The challenge I have is people is not. If you know someone na meeting and a quality imo kuendanga radio A or radio B, promoting. Watch it. I've never met. I started pushing Achukozere Irene here before I met her. Fortunately, the Nigerian I'm meeting at some function. I'm going to MVP at MVP people who supporting akazina kange. That's how business should be. Then the bamba kwenda consultinga you use that avenue omuntu kukorachi kumucharging amanye rate yawe not kustamisiza busha. Let me tell you, no stamano muntu nka staggered ajata ate MVP ni manyobo nafuwe ate muhereze chimweze akushishira reputation. So we need to start being considerate on when you're going to make appointments with some people and kwenda knowledge on things that you've taken time to make research on.
Dan MVP, Dan so Dan, on another issue, in the past few days, have you saga interchange interview complaining about remixes, collabos. Tell as well some clarification about it.
The challenge we have in Western Uganda, we are excited. We are excited. We don't take time we don't take time to digest so that we take decisions. Binge, they make reflex actions. What are reflex actions? No breaking about. You've not. It's a reflex action. Whatever. So weka kubari yao yato merasaha saka kuna vibe akakora tia taking a time kumenya songo kutambura akabuilding the better lyrics imara shinga because kora kiteka online radio zd ankaine kuchitera no. The challenge is it's only Omusheshe, Rukundo and this song action HRX man na Kata Vibes, the remixes, all the collaborations that have managed to work on industry of Western Uganda. Because they by taking a time to market them, to entice people to like them before they are released. That's why we go back to the issue of needing a team. When you get a song, if you listen to the story of Spice Dana kafuna idea y'umusheshe, ya brainstorming around people she can work with, and which songoro cyakora bakacheche bamurecommendingira ki bakacheche bamurecommendingira Reggie traveled to Kampala ya meeting a Spice. I remember Reggie akatin na kana vibe inebye songoro bya mu studio ko wa Drizzy icyo cyawena actually wena bakajikura mu wene karuga mu byeshongo bibiri because line zimwe zabezwe mu wena zoba tiro mu musheshe nzo Reggie atiro mu musheshe. So what I'm trying to say is akaje no mu database yabe nikale ya hydraulics ya steko mu cyongoro cya but preparation bacheza time batch pushing before the song release and became a hit. Now he did a song My Boo with Ziza Bafana. I'm told ecyayere kikashobora ninja uko kino utaka temena base kureta mbara ecyayere kikashobora utakafuna na sense kutemba base yo kureta muri mbara. So just actually there was a scandal around that song. I remember yere kuyashowira at first baroji bakabashoboze cyeshongo na Voltage Music. So just yatekereza ngo cyembe na kucinaga just yachirizinga cyazo ko cyaburirokwe. So gradually Reggie kafune momentum maybe baza Kampala ba shooting ki video, but it's a song for way back kachimazana kimyaka kamukage nyuma neno bachiri shooting na video now. My Boo eje Whitefield eje Ziza Bafana na bakaba yawo bari mu vibe bari ibintu byabo bazo umusuri wafa kurkodinga bari ko foldinga bakishe ba shooting video bagiteye ko saturation not planned song ikeza Daddy Andre ngo akakunde cyeshongoro because he has his studio bazomwe bakijabiramo ko bakijabiremo bakiteka. Gioni I'm told community yagire kore cyeshongoro akana mangu nakoranda biggest artist wa Western Uganda yakumutera nisaba I'm told it's alleged community akana mangu nakora no mweshongozo wa man because bakam briefing maybe Gioni yayetega bwetega. Then Camion later realizing the song was supposed to be done with what? With Reggie. Camion yaza kuzo kuchimba ile cyeshongo bachibu mu studio bafa kuchoza nko kuchira. Wakula Latinum na Kenzo lo
Batisha Latinum na Kenzo lo kayadisubiza then kuyakaura hagati yakao ni yabanze kora in fact yakoze na Kenzo ni izere kachimsa somehow.
Yeah, but no, we need momentum. That's what I'm telling you, when someone has scored it, they push the work. Because I expect the DJs are pushing amanya gang in Zeratinam bakaba shime capitalizing cyishungo cyakoze na Kenzo bakakora ki bakachi pushing
Latinum byo nebindi because we kwiyananchire kwako.
Okay, now let's go back to party Star Center Nedi Kenzo kakunde cyeshongoro ba shootingira video bwana bukeguza no kweguza baza kambara ba shootinga video, but Kenzo he was busy with album, busy with other things. He didn't have time to push the song. But DJ bataibe yabakwemba pushing no bachirekeri itongo turwane nacho
kashika chiroba DJs there's ready
manye ba DJ abana beshungo sati yutuka korachi tukaye marisa wino kuronda abandi bakakumarisa
bari mfridemwe
waje ba DJ abandi banga kuchereza hype yako because if they think they are hit makers DJs in Mbarara, why didn't they capitalize on the song utupate ya Eddie Kenzo bakajimakinga bakachimbora if they think they are hit makers or if they have influence. That's another thing. If DJs in Mbarara think they have influence on industry of Western Uganda, why is it that they failed to make the song ya tupate cha Eddy Kenzo na Star Cent kuba strong kandi chiri umwana DJ wabo. That's cause for doubt on maybe we don't have DJs who have influence in the market. We have DJs who can play who are good, but they may not have influence in people's choices, in people's choices. Then we go to Kacheche and Spice Dana Yabara. Kacheche akaboko kuchetera wenka simu na yanamuyambebe namuyambire cheshongoro cha komoko. Artist kazum CV akacheche nonga akakoreche shongoro na Spice Dana. Tachiye kwa Spice akamutwara Dubai. Banyumirwa yameze shongoro at least na yanazo wabo nanyako ke shongoro chi. So ekizo kumanyisa niki. So the songs need time to be pushed. You don't need to release 20 songs in a year kuba impactful. You can decide to release 3 songs in a year when you've planned them.
Ati akijama kantu kubatsa ati studios atizachisera to muntu nazayo in fact in one day nabasa recording ebyosongo nkamunana just atambika yo kugira ngo abantu nibakunda meje barakunde mudine uronga pay attention to details kugira ngo ekintu kisakwapiringana na so my audience.
No, when people consult me about music, what I tell them, usually I remember music bakan consulting and you don't need to rush the artist. What you need to do muzo studio mukore byeshongo byanyu kabitano. Adumo shongo zo muteke free zo kwa byame. Then we can management brainstorming on how we're going to release them. Watch it.
Here is the interview.
Here is the time. You work. If this one has not worked, which one can you bring in and this? That's why even a normal peer are substitutes. The first 11 is there, then they are substitutes. What I'm going to do, kunda take yo MV pakarema. Immediate substitute akaba cancer na kutomeza abantu. So ati nyine kuronda ati nyine kora nane manager wa team ne kurangu na recruiting achi omuntu MVP ya rugasin not cancer ndenka beyazin de potential aka cancer na kuzaho akore bya magoya ayitebeza onu gorantu bajya MVP katsijiro hogo wachine
disclaimer we are just using as an example.
No yoni ngambira so bantu bambajya MVP kabuzire kayine injare bayiko batakura cancer akambabara amagoya zinguma ninde tabiyazini kamutwinyinga kamande beyazini naza kunkora chi ekinkwenda wachira so kingo kumanyisa nti you should be tactical. I'm using this shidali mukokumura kwate kwano ba get team era kobari wachire kande oletena independent team era kore era bene ne nangane ne reviewing ayo art kajata this I don't need to submitting on committee. Like where I work, we have a music committee. Most decisions are not made by me. I get a team, we listen to the music.
In fact, one thing about Swangs Avenue, Swangs Avenue, in fact, no basokushanga bina na nomuntu just arukora vocals nga kugira ngo hati juro
review the songs, not kugira ngo kija ngo kafa kushoza. So wama kwa achieving that. Nichiyamba industry na nichiyamba ibyo songs byashonguza. You may release 10 songs and they are bubblegum, but you may take time and release. When did you last listen to a new song from Afrigo?
Never.
Twakutera tubaratira triangle bakajuza.
In fact, recently were UK.
Yeah, so we need to plan volume management. Na one advising songs when we advising ngo. It's not about how many songs you release. It's not about kanyisakata rogyo jangu indibyo songo 50 when they are
and how does that relate to the collab atwagara cha collabs remixes
the challenge goes back. You can do a song with Paraso, you can do a song with Sa, you can do a song with any other artist. Watch it ever. You can do a song with any other artist. But you don't need to capitalize on the artist kuyamba ngo chishongoro chitumuke. Iyo nkomuntu mukamo chishongoro uinekora chi kuchipurane. We had the song Camilo nakakora no go one brad. Tonde kanichi chikarobi chikaburiroko. Because akana mangoma ndiga kamiliyoni nigaza kumuyamba gasasanya. Wachireba na yeri 3 phase hinaita kushika. Wachireba yumbyafa yonko muntu nofuna personal satisfaction watunkoze na kamiliyoni. But tu are taking a time kumanya will Chameleon push my song, will Chameleon push the song in his circles. Wachireba So one okushuzekeshongo plan because that chameleon are busy with other engagements aine za tours aine bookings aine emirimo mingi tarakuhereze attention yako benene kupushinga ekeshongoro. So wawe washaze mukora ekeshongoro se na person Z, you on your side what are you doing to make it, because ori yakuyamba yakweza omuganda like there's a song reje chiyahandikira omusigazo mukataromo. I'm not going to mention the artist. Cheshongoro chimaka chandika cheshongoro bachikora, it's playing on different radios, but reji wakakorogo kumuhandikira yachimuhereza. He didn't brace it ngo yakoresa shows zeye ngo achimpushingira. Guy kuna mburize if he wrote the song and gave it to you, what does he lose kuza shows akajangu I wrote this song from an artist from Western Uganda, please support him. Maybe akana asa kufuniraho new followers, akana asa kufunda nomanya when someone recommends you abakwino perception nimbi, they create that fear for you. Wachire but akubona kachimanagera nabo yatoba nacho byakoze none byebyo icyo chongo cyakora cye. So what I'm trying to say is we don't need to release songs because wachikora na star okaza kurudainga hope ya star kukorera hit. No, plan on yourself as an artist. Get a team that is going to get for you promotional strategies so that you can get the song work.
Okay. So we have done MVP ensonga ya Kigame, ensonga ya kola bozi, then yagamba na ensonga ya ensonga ya akasento mu industry. So any message to the people out there?
Message yenyine 18 November turi university in supporting MC Kachechi, but kesi ke nanka Kachecha yihe mu muzo gwa reji kwena ngubyona byemarire. Kachecha ashemeye kufuna team eramuyambi yakoza poster hari namba yesimu nyowa naenda kumusponsoringa ticket y'emitwari 10. I'm not sure sende na nza kwa zishiriho euro 18 tarazite kumbye afune team tumenye ngwine treasurer arakwate sente zitu kozi Kachecha nari yaho ngwari Kampala ariya nakura show neza kuhika uri ngo yaji postponinga ngusente tazino
gamba boja ngo mukashesha ya postinga nanka ni ya food mate
kana mugambira akwa tokaza ko ine miliyoni 2 asimu uno sibenzara nguneza show yebiri 18 why afune team managing era controlling finances akwa zendiza kumweshuko ziri nyingi kandi tukebiri 18 tuba Brady wari ebichusa chusemu show tugiye university in tukitwara one drop pub wa musyo kanze kubuza kwa planningira university ine abajitu za one drop pub wajire. So ekintu cyakaje tumusupporting but ine press conference wanu wakatano but nzamugambira afune team era muyambeho kintu because the thing is big naza ku attracting a good number of artists abari national aba regional bache but around the team era muyambeho ko around the promotion team around the team ya finances akwachitari echo show neza kwa postpone because center zitiro mukweshemeza ari ya food mati power
msa just ya posting or just
nyontwire nawe ni mmanya nyose ndizanye nezinshasha kuza kumeza mitoro yangi 10 nkaza kura ngo show yaje university ni yagitwara one drop pub musente zero ngwe ba Brad center naza nari yakujya ngo yaza Dubai but so Brad wa Kachecha ronda team era control nje center nzimanyi tizikuzaza atashare kasesa ariyo mukune Elizabeth show neza kuhika abebyuma nebende byoma aba sound shana kutwetera hufa university in so control ekintu cha nanka kana rudi moine rudi mnonye expecting ngo supporting nje rudi mebe jangu naza kumuhereza bwa DJ zoberyo rudi mna washoze cash atikacheche nga Brad wange kwate mitwara 5 ja table cash ongebyo jang
ekindebe university ngana ubuzi bumwe aboncha binje batakufuna mu ngeke kintu umuntu nategekire so and so aija wakobe nagura table araba wonka Brad takushashana nankane
rudi muna kwiza atoyochari wange mpitawo
rudi mukabroga tendo chari izananga tendo
so noza kushanga
so yona izira ngabantu tanapo ni nyinji konko ati muyimba tendo
so na rudi mine kwato musha nyona janyira kumeze mitwari 10 MVP nyira kumuswa nabantu 10 so rudi muna wayemwe rudi maturi no forongo bakora back ya hamwe agurete be mitwara 5 at least ibo jangu nakumuterera no that's another business niko kuno koremba go jangu kumpezo bwa MC baro but yona nakugira nti supporting event yanje ija on supporting financially na service ojimpe But otherwise, mwere ku supporting MVP, mwere ku promoting music ya Western Uganda, mwere kushajika abana bona bayomba rugayo kurangwa kintu cha rugamusente cha providing employment opportunities abana. Then chinde still have a challenge na kama ndabata ku respecting ba music hawkers abakwata music akaje ku distribute nyo libraries. Omwana muvairi wing, omwana yakutamburiza music wakagitoroza mu library reka kumukwatire ku mitano none ine family umwana muheza kasente kayicire na bunyinsa agire kiyihamo
to reflecting back at wagambe ko like kufuna a team kind of cost team none ujivaluing
baba kwereza miliyoni 2 zembaga na miliyoni 3 zembaga mayonye neyo I had this distributor onka unique promotions no kunkora distribution ya Mbara town umayungu buri weekend ayineche mitware 5 na ineche every nakunda karimo ke but why nango muronde waza kushoza cyeshongora that's bad when revising abeshongozi ba Western Uganda making team zawo zimwetoriye zo na mwazirisaje wakireba that's what Davido does. Davido aine team yana yafuna private jet na bareka benyumiro kufuteza za selfie
same as the same to Nasty Sink. I never know it was like I know album means as like something yakuzenka documentary. The people around him hine vibe yako bahereza kusangana nabantu already buri omwe nakora umuntu mugabo jya nakunda hari they love it where they are. In fact ejo album I love it here. So we are nabwe it's by the that's a strong message to the people abantu abakwetorira bakoraniwe that is part of your music as well. Abantu that means bakuchumanya wana ara kwako cyeshongoro
wamangu wenga abana mbarise je bashemererwe so that they get motivated na ariyo mbara ikayaka akiringiro myeye yawe cyeshongo cyo batachite abe tempted kubuza abachimtachite. That's how best we can all be happy on industry of Western Uganda because actually the market is becoming is it cosmopolitan, metropolitan, either way you need some abantu bingi from different cultures, so the demand for Runyankore is going to grow up because people want to learn Runyankore. Music can help you learn a different language. So the moment we have music na nambaro bw'ibireste areas expandingire imyanya yo kushemererwa mu expandingire so abantu bamba kweta amikoro umengo ine team yo kutambana kana n'ikindi wo performing yo mbara nyinsakaro tagaruko mbara be give it time umurimo gugurekera umweshongozo nijo wacheba no ruzinga vari yo mwanya ogwe kandi nese nombora abo inde bizu batland control yourselves kugira umwanya mu performing am.
So ladies and gentlemen, that's done MVP for you. I
also need to put a disclaimer. These words are said by me as MVP.
Not
so
not
as don't attribute it to an organization. These are said by me. They are my words. Just in a personal interest. So don't attribute it to any other organization. These are words by me, MVP.
And that is what we call professionalism in journalism. So Nkokuya Chigamba, 18th November, we are turning up for MC Kacheche area university in. We shall be there. We shall be there.
We will go there and support him.
Then still on the same issue, 9th November, nzakupatia prot 13 for kunana MC live experience. Yeah, big ups on yourself, guys. Na Brady Sparks na banyine Savage camera. See you when you see me.